नमस्कार आणि येवकार तुमकां सगळ्यांक एका खाशेल्या कार्यावळींत. एवरी टायम जेन्ना कसली मेसेज आमकां लोकां मुखार पावोवंक जाय जाल्यार तो मातसो क्रिएटीव करचें पडटा. कोणाक जर आमी बऱ्या भशेन सांगलें न्ही की बाबा हें कर किंवा हें करूं नाका जाल्यार खूब जाण अशें इग्नोर मारता. बट तेच जर क्रिएटिवली तांकां सांगत जाल्यार टेक अ नोट ऑफ इट. आणि कोरोना व्हायरसच्या टायमार पॅन्डेमीक जेन्ना आसा, लॉकडावन आसा, तेन्ना अशें कम्युनिकेशन करपाक खूब बरें पडटा वेन वी यूज म्युजीक, lyrics and some celebrity faces of Goa. Ladies and gentlemen, if तुम्ही जर काल युट्यूबाचेर पळयला आसत जाल्यार देर वॉज अ प्रिमियर ऑफ अ सॉंग कॉल्ड जैत. कोरोना व्हायरस पॅन्डेमीक अवेरनेस सॉंग आसा, हे कोंकणीतलें सॉंग आणि हे सॉंग जेचं म्युजीक आसा ते आमिजाचे एक व्हेरी फेमस ट्रॅकाचेर आसलें. आमिजा तुमी सगळ्यांनी पळयलां आसतलें. सो हांव चड टायम काडिनासतना लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माय गेस्ट फॉर this particular show. That is the team who has worked on this beautiful song. First of all, Aniket Naik. Aniket, hi.
हाय कसं
Okay,
आसा?
good ekdam. Next is Saish Panandikar, sir.
Hi.
Hi. Uh, Third is the singer Aniket Dadikar. Aniket.
Hi.
Okay, and our very own Goan celebrity who has been there in the films and doing a lot of work, Salil Naik. Salil, hi.
Hi.
Okay, let me go straight to Aniket Naik, who is connecting with me from Mumbai. Aniket, first of all, sang, you are in the green zone, red zone of Mumbai. Tell me.
I am in the green zone inside my house, but outside my house there's a red zone. तर
Okay.
आमगे नवी मुंबई हांव रावता तर नवी मुंबई इज डिक्लेअर्ड एज अ रेड झोन अनफॉर्च्युनेटली. पण सिच्युएशन मातशी डिफिकल्ट आसा हांगा. बट या वी आर फायटिंग विथ इट, गोइंग अहेड. लेट्स सी व्हॉट हॅपन्स. होपफुली वी कम आउट ऑफ दिस सिच्युएशन सून.
Okay.
But I would like to congratulate all of y'all. Y'all are into the green zone. Please make sure that you guys keep it safe. Don't take things
Because
very
we
lightly.
Goans
That's
are
my...
well-behaved people.
Yeah,
Sure.
of course we Goans are well-behaved people. I'm a well-behaved Goan in Bombay. That's why I'm inside the house.
That is the reason your house is in the green zone.
Yeah.
Aniket, maka sang,
Yeah.
when I saw the first preview video that you shot, I felt
Right.
it was really nice. There was one song that came immediately after the lockdown was Muskurayega India, which had a lot of
Right.
Indian celebrities. And I saw you playing with your camera or the phone. It looked as if it was a shot from the balcony and similar to Muskurayega India. But obviously the song is different, the lyrics is different, and the language is Konkani. First of all, how did this concept came into place?
Rohit, this concept came into the place with just a passion of being a Goan, to be very honest. Maka jenna to Muskurayega India ek song jenna poillo, that time I personally felt that every industry is doing, not only Muskurayega India, of course there's Marathi industry who is doing this, Telugu Tamil industry who is doing, and there was only one thought which was in my heart and my complete soul, that yes, why not we as Goans, why आम्ही कित्याक फाटी सरपाचे, आमचे फुड्यान technically sound team asa. We have writer like Sai sir who's ready on one call just to write for something for Goa, and that's how we managed to do. And of course we have actors like Salil, Prince Jacob, singers like Aniket Daddikar. एक थॉट आयलो, तो थॉट हांवें साई सरा पयलीं कॉल करून तो आय शेअर्ड दॅट थॉट विथ हिम, एंड साई सर सेड दॅट अनिकेत लेट्स डू इट विथ फ्रॅक्शन ऑफ सेकंड. ही वाज लाइक ओके चल लेट्स डू इट. एंड आई मस्ट से द क्रेडिट शुड गो टू साई सर. He sent me the song very next day in the evening. I spoke to him in the evening today. Next day evening the song was with me. And I was like, okay. And that gave us more power, and the spirit and the whole force came from Sai sir. That's how we started doing this.
Okay, you've mentioned Sai sir. I need to go to him directly. Sir, म्हाका एक सांगा, सध्या लॉकडावनान असा तुमचो तो शॉटूय हांवें पळयलो. यू आर इन द इनसायड द हावस फ्रॉम द विंडो, समबडी शूटिंग यू. एक सांगा म्हाका, हे लिरिक्स जशें ताणें म्हटलें की एका दिसा भितर तुमी बरयले. वॉट वेंट इन टू द एंटायर प्रोसेस?
The entire process म्हणल्यार what I believe की जशें आमी दोतोर आनी बाकीच्या गव्हर्नमेंट हांकां क्रेडीट दितात about this lockdown, the work they do. The biggest is the mental stress. आणि जो मेंटल स्ट्रेस घरा रावन मनशाक जाता, ताजो एकच मेडिकल उपाय म्हणतो भायर वचनासतना इज एंटरटेनमेंट. आणि तेन्ना आमच्या कलाकारांची जबाबदारी असता की लोकांचो मेंटल स्ट्रेस कमी करप. कित्याक डिप्रेशन वाडपा दिवपा जायना, कित्याक हाजेर सगळी इम्युनिटी बी बेज असता. सो जेन्ना अनिकेत म्हणतो मनीस असो तांचे तकलेंत किडो वळवळत असता, कितना उळवळत असता आनी तो ते किडी म्हजे तकलेंत घालत असता. इज फुल ऑफ एनर्जी. जेन्ना ताणें म्हाका कॉन्सेप्ट सांगलो हांवें सांगलें येस वी हॅव टू डू दीस. आनी ताजे पयलीं हांवें 2-3 पदां केल्लीं हाजेर पॅन्डेमिकाचेर. सो आय वॉज प्रिपेर्ड फॉर, आय न्यू मेडिकली एक्झॅक्टली आमकां लोकांक कितें सांगपाचें आसा. एंड थोडो डिफिकल्टी आयली ती जे पद पयलींचें आसा ओरिजिनल तें हांवेंच बरयलें, तें मायनस करून परतें नवी ताजेर उतरां घालप. सो ताकाच लागून दुसरे दीस इवनिंग जालें, नाजाल्यार अनिकेताक हांव 2 वरांनूच धाडटलो आशिल्लो. इट वॉज फॉर मी. सो तो प्रोसिजर तें पद काडून उडोवपाक.
Okay, that is talent in Goa. Let me go to Aniket Dadikar. Aniket, म्हाका सांग, सिंगिंग दिस फेमस सॉंग, म्हाका दिसता खूब जाणांनी हें आयकलां, खूब जाणांच्या तोंडार ऑलरेडी बसलेले असले, पीपल हॅव बीन सिंगिंग दिस सॉंग. जेन्ना हे नवे लिरिक्स आयले आनी जेन्ना हे तुका सांगले की तुका हे म्हणपाक जाय, आनी दॅट टू इन दी एनक्लोज एनवायरमेंट, म्हणजे म्हाका दिसता घरा कडेन तुवें आपल्या बेडरुमान किंवा रुमान खंय तरी बसून यू हॅव sang this song. How exciting it was being in the lockdown in the room singing this, power pack energy song.
I actually started with Aniket. I came in contact with him, and he told me like we have so and so song, and he asked me whether you had heard the song, the original song of Amiza, the title track, and that मुझे तोणार आशिल्ले basically first the original lyrics. आणि ताणे म्हाका मागीर सांगले की we have to change the lyrics, and साई सरान बरयल्ले आसा एक lyrics on corona. So and we just started calling on the Zoom app and all. Sai sir was there with me, then Aniket was there, then we even had the music directors Ritesh Ranjan and all, and we just collaborated together. I was in my room here only, and I was given certain instructions and all, how it has to be, the pronunciations, the music, how it has to be, the power, the attitude. Then of course we had Siddesh Naik also, who was the video editor for this song, and he told me we have to capture certain shots and all. Aniket himself also told me how you have to do the recording and all for the videos and all, and we started it. Actually it was a good experience. पोवपाक गेल्यार actually तो एक song म्हणटा तो, it is like some power pack song actually, which requires you have to just bloat out and sing. But I was at home only, but still I managed to edit and my voice and all, and go up on that stage and sing it loudly. And I think so it was a good overall experience for me sitting at home also, and to present it with that same power pack performance even after being at home. So it was a good experience.
Okay, let me go to the next guest. Salil represents the entire celebrity brigade that has been featured on in that video. So Salil, you बरीचशी responsibility आसा तुका. People like Prince Jacob म्हणा किंवा बाकीचे जे celebrities आसा, you have to speak for them. How was it featuring this in this video? And it is unique thing.
I'll interrupt. I'll interrupt. I think we should call Salil the king of national award, I'm telling you.
Okay. Salil, importantly की बाकीचे व्हिडिओज जे आम्ही पळयता, बरेचसे व्हिडिओ भायर फुटेज घेऊन करता. हे व्हिडिओ वॉज कंपाइल्ड बीइंग इन द होम, म्हणजे तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी म्हाका दिसता शूट करून ते धाडलेले. हाउ वॉज द प्रोसेस अँड हाउ एक्साइटेड आर यू व्हेन यू गेट द फीडबॅक, बिकॉज येस्टरडे इट वॉज रिलीज.
हय, एक्साइटमेंट तर खूप आशिल्ली, कारण वेन अनिकेत कॉल्ड मी आणि ताणी जेन्ना म्हाका कॉन्सेप्ट सांगलो अशें वी आर ट्रायंग टू डू, दॅट इटसेल्फ वॉज प्रिटी एक्सायटिंग, बिकॉज कारण पर्सनली अशें कितें म्हणजे आमच्या तरेन जर लोकां कडेन कितें पॉझिटिव्ह एनर्जी मेळटा जाल्यार कित्याक करचें न्ही अशें. आणि जेन्ना म्हाका लिरिक्स धाडले अनिकेतान की हे पार्ट्स तुका करपाचे आसा, सो आय वॉज लायक कन्फ्यूज की घरा बसून हांव कर, बिकॉज आय एम अलोन, बिकॉज माय फॅमिली इज स्टेइंग समवेअर एल्स एंड आय वॉज अलोन इन पणजी. So shoot karab was also a big task, because I had to literally do it on my own. So पण तरी then we were on a Zoom call. Aniket was there, Desh was there. They were trying to tell me खंयचे angles घेवप, कितें करप. हय, पण मागीर ते whatever resources I could manage from home, I tried to do it. I hope I've done a good job because the song itself इतले energetic आसा आणि इतले बरें म्हणलं अनिकेतान. It was necessary for us, all the artists,
to do
to
justice.
cooperate to do justice for that song. So I hope we have done that.
Okay, Salil, तुका जर विचारत जाल्यार it is when we are shooting this particular interview, it is not even 24 hours that the song has been released on the platform. How has been the response? तुका येयल्लो feedback, if you could share, I will ask other guests of also the part of the team.
See, normally अशें जेन्ना जाता तेन्ना I share it with all my friends. म्हणजे a lot of WhatsApp groups आसा. So आणि थोडे WhatsApp groups इतले honestly सांगता म्हाका, म्हणजे खरें कितें आसा तें, because they are my childhood friends. So सगळ्यां कडल्यान खूब बरो पॉझिटिव्ह रिस्पॉन्स आयला. म्हणजे खूब तेंपान एक म्हाका दिसता कोरोनाचेर अशी 2-3 गाणी ऑलरेडी जाल्लीं आसा, बट बाय फार दिस इज द बेस्ट अशें म्हाका तांच्यांनी सांगलां. सो आय फील even I feel that this is one of the best songs as of now.
Okay, I'll go to Saish Panandikar. Sir, जशें म्हटलें हांवें, it's very small time that we're doing this interview. It has already gone viral. Let me agree to it. तुमकां आयिल्लो feedback?
खूप लोकांनी म्हाका रिस्पॉन्स दिलो. इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द एनर्जी ऑफ द सॉंग. जे वातावरण डल आसा, जे वातावरण म्हणजे डिप्रेसिव्ह आसा, जावं घरांत बशिल्ल्या लोकांक एक ते पद आयकून एक एनर्जी सॉर्ट ऑफ आयली. अँड दिस इज रिगार्डिंग हाऊ टू बिहेव फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. अवेअरनेस हाऊ टू बिहेव नाव. आमी म्हणटा ताका फिजिकल डिस्टन्सिंग, मागीर सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग. दिस सॉंग टॉक्स अबाउट दॅट हाऊ पीपल शूड बिहेव. So that is more important at this period. आमकां खबर ना की हाजे फुडें आमकां कशें जगपाक पडटलें. आमकां बरें म्हणटात सायंटिस्ट की कोविडा बरोबर थोडो तेंप आमकां जगचें पडटलें. एंड हे जगता आसतनाच आमी कशें सेफली जगपाक शकतात एक एक्झाम्पल ह्या पदांतल्यान आय थिंक पावला लोकां म्हऱ्यांत की हाव टू बिहेव. दॅट इज वॉट अँड पीपल आर रिस्पॉन्डिंग.
ओके, अनिकेत दडीकर, इफ यू कॅन टेल मी द रिस्पॉन्स.
Actually, I upload a lot of my cover songs also. So apart from that, this was something a new experience for me, and it was something new from my own voice to people, and it was something like the lyrics were new, everything was new. So I got a lot of calls from my friends, then also from our Goan music industry. Also, a lot of people called me and they told me that you have really done a good job. You have sang it very well, and and we can see on YouTube channel as well of Prudent that how many we have got the views and all within it's just not even one day completed from the premiere, and it's just rising now. So that's the good response I feel.
So okay, if Aniket can answer me, the other Aniket did justice singing the song.
No, I'll to be very honest, I'll tell you, जेन्ना साईसरा फुडें उलयतालो in terms of singer कोण घेवया, आणि हांवें सिद्धेशा फुडें उलयल्लें. सो सिद्धेश बेसिकली coordinated with a lot of people, आणि सिद्धेशान बेसिकली he spoke to a lot of singers, आणि अमिजाद जे न्यू जे अमिजादाचे न्यू लिरिक्स आसा, ज्या सॉंग्साचे न्यू लिरिक्स आसा, ते लिरिक्स आमी एक पॅरा धाडिल्लो सगळ्यांक. And after we sent that para, we got a couple of singers who sang that song to us. Then me, Saish sir, and Siddesh, we collectively sat and we decided what to do. Then it was a tricky call, because we couldn't take that call because we are definitely from creative background, but song background, music background na. So of course Sai sir is into lyrics and he has good knowledge about it. But we personally felt that the final decision on who is going to be the singer should be taken by Ritesh and Sridhar, who are the original music directors of the song, who also did, again, they fine-tuned the song for us. And so we had to send the song all the way to Chennai and Bangalore, where Ritesh and Sridhar are at two different places. And then finally they liked Aniket's voice. Because he had some, that power that we were looking at in the original song, which Suraj Jagan sang the song for us, and we're really glad for him to give his voice to this first song. And then now it was Aniket Daddikar, again our Goan, who has actually sung this song and done equally justice to the song. So that's how it happened, and we took it further from there, and people are liking it.
Okay, Aniket, since you are based in Bombay, again you are connected with the film industry, the glamour industry. A lot of things have changed. म्हणजे फाटले जर हांव लॉकडावन जर विचारीत तुका, how is your industry, how is your work, or maybe how are you getting things done? professionally for you?
Yeah, to be very honest, before the lockdown, I was in Hyderabad shooting for a Telugu film. One of my very close friend is directing that particular film, so I'd gone to help him there. And jenna Hyderabad, when we got amka jenna दोन corona positive suspect jenna we got it in Hyderabad. The panic situation started then only. So we had to shut down the shoot and we had to come back to Bombay. This was something about 10th or 12th of March we're talking.
Okay.
But when it came to Bombay, 17th of March, we were hoping, and I was supposed to shoot for an ad for about good 6 days back to back. And the moment we got to know ki IPL cancel झाले, सगळ्या पहिले IPL cancel जाऊ ना, महाराष्ट्र गव्हर्नमेंटान सांगले की IPL तुम्ही करात, पण IPL stadiuman will not allowed audience to come in. So without the audience तुम्ही IPL करात. So we were still okay till then, and then all of a sudden, the moment we got to know that IPL has cancelled this year and they're going to do it later, is where a lot of brands basically backed out from doing ad films. They stopped investing, and that's how lockdown has taken very seriously. And people see again, Section 144 is applicable everywhere.
So
and when it comes to Section 144, we can't definitely work because we
minimum your industry work requires a lot of people. Yeah, true.
Yeah. So that's how it is there, and now we are living with it. I mean, as rightly Sai sir said, a lot of scientists have said that we'll have to make Corona a part of us and live with it by taking precautions. Slow and steadily, we are getting into that particular mentality. I hope I was in Goa. I'm telling you, I miss being in Goa.
Okay. Salil, if I can ask you, फाटले लॉकडावनान तुवें एका संडे एनिमी पिक्चर सोडून प्रुडंटाचेर जे तुवें पळयलें, बाकीचे आनी अश्यो कसल्यो गजाली तुवें तुज्या शेड्युलान आसल्यो ज्यो तूं रेग्युलरली करतालो जस्ट टू कीप युअरसेल्फ फिट?
अरे खूब गजाली केल्यो हांवें. नवीन अश्यो न्ही, ज्यो हांव पयलीं करतालो त्यो हांवें बंद केल्ल्यो, त्यो हांवें ह्या लॉकडावना खातीर परत सुरू केल्यो. म्हणजे कुकिंग, आय यूज्ड टू कुक अ लॉट. म्हणजे कॉलेजीन आसतना आय यूज्ड टू कुक अ लॉट. मदीं हांवें बंद केलें मागीर. देन आय स्टार्टेड कुकिंग अगेन. ते एक म्हजी संवय परत अशी उफाटून आयली कशी. देन तबला खेळपाक लागलो हांव. हांवें एक व्हिडिओय घातला फेसबुकार. आय स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग तबला अगेन. विथ माय डॉटर, शी प्ले हार्मोनियम. सो तो एक व्हिडिओ हांवें अपलोड केला. आणि आय यूज्ड टू वर्कआउट एट होम. म्हणजे अराउंड 6:30. देन म्हजो एक रेग्युलर रेजीम हांवें चालूच दवरलो, कारण इट इज important to be fit, not only because I'm in this industry, otherwise also. म्हणजे whether you work out outside or outdoors or indoors, it is important to be fit. So हांवें एक शेड्यूल प्लॅन केलो. हय हांवें एक म्हजो शेड्यूल प्लॅन केलो. सो 1 hour I used to exercise at home, whatever कितें.
ओके.
हय, मागीर ऑफकोर्स तें आनी सांगपाची गरज ना की सगळ्यांनी भांडी आनी झाडू मारपाक स्टार्ट करूंक जाय. सांगपाची गरज ना.
ऑन दॅट नोट आय विल गो टू साईश परंदीकर सर. सर सांगा, अपार्ट फ्रॉम झाडू भांडी बिंडी अँड रायटिंग लिरिक्स ऑफकोर्स.
खूप ते सलिलान म्हणले तशे खूप गजाली मिस जाल्ल्यो, त्यो परत्यो चालू केल्यो. म्हणजे नाटक, म्हज्या आयुश्यांतले नाटक मिस जाल्ले. सो ह्या पॅन्डेमिक टायमा भितर ती मेंटॅलिटी अंडरस्टँड जावपाक म्हजे तकलेक ऑन मेंटल हेल्थ एक नाटक बरोवपाचें आशिल्लें. सो ताजी इन्फॉर्मेशन आनी टिप्स हांवें जे काडिल्ले, ताजी एक नेमावळ केली. मागीर हांव कशे तरेन हें नाटक सादर करतलो. आनी अजून हांवें नाटक बरोवपाक घेतलो ना, पूण ताजो होमवर्क जो आसा नाटकाचो तो तयार करपाक घेतला. इन्फॉर्मेशन आनी नेटार बसून बाकीच्यो गजाली. दुसरी गजाल म्हणल्यार इम्पॉर्टंट सामकी म्हज्या आयुश्यांतली यादी, ज्यो हांव फेसबुकार सांगत आसता हे दिसान. यादी म्हळ्यार म्हजे एक्सपिरियन्सीस विथ सेलिब्रिटी, म्हाका जे गुरू मेळ्ळे तांची यादी, ताणें म्हाका शिकयल्ली गजाली. जावं आमच्या अप्रुपाचे ग्रूप आशिल्ले ताज्यो पदांचो प्रोसेस, कशी तयार जाली पदां, ह्यो सगळ्यो यादी. आनी म्हाका दिसता खूब पॉप्युलर जातात, कारण आतां म्हाका रिक्वेस्ट येता ही याद सांग, तुगेलें तें सांग, तें सांग करून. अश्यो नाजाल्यार ते हांव सांगपाकच पावचो नाशिल्लो, ऑर एखादी वेळ मेळना जाल्यार बरोवंकूय पावचो नाशिल्लो, आनी त्यो यादी तश्योच सांगता आशिल्ल्यो. आय थिंक पॅन्डेमिक इज हेल्पिंग मी एक्चुअली.
वायल तुम्ही नाटक म्हणटा पूण बरयताले, सध्या काम चालू आसा. सलील जस्ट पिंड सेईंग दॅट एक्टर रेडी आसा म्हणून आनी म्हाका दिसता नाटकाचें जर नांव आसता जाल्यार ते क्वॉरंटायन आसत एक वेळ सांगून वचप दॅट यू कॅन स्पील द बीन लेटर. Aniket, the singer who's given the voice for this beautiful song, if I can ask you, what are the things that you have been busy doing apart from singing?
Actually, I got this okay, apart from singing, okay. Actually, I'm into fitness also, so I take care of my body as well. So I've been working out at home. I have not left it. And apart from that, I play other instruments also. So I'm just, trying to, upload videos and all, playing other instruments on my channel. And, trying to explore music in much better way, which I couldn't give time to other things other than singing and also. I'm just trying to give more, time for my other things like playing instruments and all. Yeah.
Okay, and if we can all request you, Aniket, to sing few lines of this beautiful song that has been produced by BMP, By Mistake Productions and Om Creative Film Works. Aniket, with your permission, Aniket Naik,
Of course, sir. It's all yours.
Yeah, I
you
request.
are our broadcast partner.
Okay, and there is someone behind you as well, just trying to be
That's my nephew.
enter in the Zoom session with us. Okay, Aniket, if you can sing few lines of the song for us.
Yeah. सांगता ते ऐकून घे वाट दुसरी आता ना आता हे तुझे नी म्हजे अशे वाटे नांगा ना रे आता असले तसले निमित कसले कोफू जाऊ नांगा आयला जे वादळ एक मोठे घेऊन दुःखाची लारा आमचे वागणे जातलो आमचो फोस कोरोना व्हायरस धावणो का सत्तर आमचे वागणे जातलो आमचो फोस कोरोना व्हायरस धावणो का सत्तर.
Well, awesome. Thank you, Aniket Daddikar, as well as thank you, Aniket Naik. Sai sir, Dev Bare Guru for joining us, and obviously the chocolate boy of Goa and Goan cinema, Salil Naik. Thank you very much for joining. Obviously, तुम्ही जर हे सॉंग पळोवंक ना जाल्यार आवर्जून पळयात. सॉंग टीव्हीचेर हे चलता चॅनलाचेर आमच्या, तेच्या भायर हे अपलोडेड आसा ऑन द यूट्यूब प्लॅटफॉर्म. आवर्जून वचात आणि हे सॉंग एन्जॉय करात. आणि एज द गव्हर्मेंट सेज, stay home, stay safe and be careful, because as Sai Saran sangle that this will be a new normal, so we have to adjust to the situation, come out of it very, very strong. Well, I thank all my guests. Dev Bare Guru, thank you very much, and keep on watching Prudent.